Taraka is slain. Taraka was the beautiful daughter of a demigod named Suketu. She was married to Sumali, a demon king. She had two sons named Marich and Subahu and a daughter named Keksi. Due to sage Agastya's curse, she was turned into an ugly man-eater demoness. As a revenge, Taraka, along with her sons, had started harassing and troubling as many sages as she could by destroying their yagyas and prayers with a shower of flesh and blood. When Rama, Lakshman and sage Vishwamitra had reached Dandaka forest, the sage showed the brothers demoness Taraka. He instructed Prince Rama to kill her. Lord Rama was hesitant to kill her as she was a woman. Sage Vishwamitra advised Rama that as a prince he had to carry out his duties for the welfare and protection of the nation. He also told Rama that evil has no gender, caste or creed. Though a woman, yet Taraka was terrorizing the residents of the region. Hearing this, Rama was convinced and swiftly pierced her heart with his arrows. This act gained the young princess the blessings of not only just sage Vishwamitra but also the blessings of all the assembled sages in the forest. Marich and Subahu. After killing Taraka, sage Vishwamitra taught a unique skill to the princes that would enable them not to feel hunger and thirst in the forest for a long time. Thus, 5 days passed peacefully. But on the morning of the 6th day, while the sages were performing their yagya and Rama and Lakshman were guarding them, a thunderous roar was heard. All looked up to see an approaching army of demons clouding the skies. They were Marich and Subahu with the other demons who had come to take the revenge of their mother's death. Rama at once released an arrow that struck Marich, who fell 800 miles away, even beyond the seashore. Next, the prince battled with Subahu with an arrow, whom he killed immediately. The two brothers then easily defeated the rest of the army. All the sages got rid of their fear after Rama had killed the demons. Then the whole contingent of sages sang the praises of the brothers. In their devotion, the sages narrated the stories from the Puranas to the two brothers, not comprehending that Rama himself was the fountain of all knowledge. The accursed Ahilya. After the death of the demons, sage Vishwamitra told Rama about a Dhanuryagya that was going to be held in Mithila for the Swayamvar of Princess Sita. Hearing this, Rama and Lakshman started their journey towards Mithila, accompanying sage Vishwamitra. On their way, they saw a deserted hut. The hut belonged to sage Gautama and his wife Ahilya, who was a very pious woman. Indra, in absence of sage Gautama, disguised himself as Gautama and spent a night with Ahilya. When Gautama came to learn of this sinful deed, he cursed Ahilya to turn into a stone. Vishwamitra knew that Rama could relieve Ahilya of the curse, so he begged Rama to do so. As Rama entered the ashram, his feet touched the stone and it was transformed into a beautiful lady. Ahilya had come back to her own original form. In a moment, the ashram too came alive with colorful flowers, green trees, and the twittering of birds. Ahilya thanked Rama and Lakshman and offered them her warm hospitality. Meanwhile, sage Gautama also forgave Ahilya and returned to live with her in the ashram. He then blessed the two brothers and thanked sage Vishwamitra for his sound advice. Sita's birth. Once there lived a king named Janak in Mithila. He was a great ruler and his kingdom was very happy under his rule. But the king did not have any child. One day, Janak was standing in his fields and watching the farmers plowing the fields. The earth was also being dug to sow new seeds. Suddenly, a farmer's tool struck something hard in the ground. He informed Janak about this. The king at once ordered all the farmers to dig the same spot. After digging, the farmers found a big treasure pot and handed it to King Janak. When the pot was opened, the king was overjoyed to see a small baby girl inside it. Everyone was amazed at how the girl could survive in the pot and who could have put her there. King Janak adopted her as a daughter and named her Sita, who grew up into a beautiful princess and came to be known by different names like Janki, the daughter of Janak. She was also famous by the name of Maithili, the princess of Mithila. As she was obtained from the inside of the earth, many people called her the daughter of the Mother Earth.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.